welcome you all to this special event celebrating the vibrant world of cake food. Today, we embark on an exciting journey to honor our passionate cake food ambassadors. Let's enjoy tonight's event as the first step of our journey. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.
Welcome everyone, and first of all, congratulations to all of you for being appointed as an AK ambassador, and I'm looking forward to look on all of your videos. And to those our pre-ambassadors, welcome back again. It's good to see you everyone. And I would like to introduce myself a little bit. I am not a K-food ambassador, but a K-food lover and passionate since 2006. I'm not that old though. Yes, I've loved the Korean food since 2006, and it started with kimchi, which I really hated. But now it's part of my daily life. That's how a K-food changed my life. And also thanks to that, I got so many opportunities to cook Korean food for our very big artists like Zero, CK, Loco, and even recently UV, like so many, and hopefully one day big part. Ready to go? Hungry? Hungry? Hungry?
Very big.
Oh, someone is already finished.
Yeah, another taste, right? Of same flavor.
Same. You want to make it?
Another one, yeah.
Ah, so nice.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
No. Perfect. It's very nice.
My God.
Okay. So you need to. I brought you some rice and more. So I'm gonna spread it more. Like you don't need to be afraid. Yeah.
No, it's okay. Yeah. I should make that.
So.
Wow!
Yes, the rice will not come out.
Oh, wow.
Try
new one. Yeah, new one. Wow.
I had to steal some of the glue for you.
You see, you are my favorite hero.
Make sure like you have all the ingredients at the center. Make sure you have the glue ready. One by one. More at the edge. More at the edge. Yes. And press, yeah? Press until it's like transparent color. Yes.
Just your hands or your done? Oh, no,
And all ingredients at the center. And good luck. And you need to roll more. Yes, roll more.
I feel like no.
When? Wait. Okay. Why no? You still didn't complete it.
Exactly.
There you go. Almost done.
I needed someone to save me. That's her first time.
Practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the more you become better. There you go. And you can cut it.
Yay. Thank you so much. Thank you. So cute.
It's not stable, but once you cut it, it becomes stable.
I will do.
I want to try this one. You want to try this? Yeah. So you need to fill this one like maybe some. Okay. Or even if you do it all with it. Close